India has been moving to a lot of digitization. So digitization comes with the, lot of, eventually it offers you a lot of convenience, but then anything which comes with convenience, it offers a lot of challenges. And, it comes with some amount of risk. So same is the case with the cyber security. And, eventually if you see, cyber security is, I would say, is one of the high risk for all the, more so in case of the financial institutions, for the banking sector, for the non-banking financial institutions, for the insurance companies, because eventually all these organizations, deal with a lot of personal data of the customers. When I say personal data, it's a personal identifiable information, and there is a lot of obligation which comes along with it when you collect any personal data of the customers. So, especially with so many incidents which has happened in the past, we have seen that few have also been published in the media. Few have also not been listed in the media, but we have been quite aware that a lot of incidents where customers data being stolen. So cyber security is something which is a talk of the town, which is top of head for everyone.